Hello KG2, good morning. So KG2, do you know today what we are going to do? This is your English class and we are going to write something about cow. What is a cow? A cow is an animal that gives us milk. So we are going to draw a cow and we are going to write about it. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first I will draw a cow, and do you know, drawing a cow is very easy. Very means very easy. Okay, so let's get started. First, for drawing a cow, you need an oval. An oval like this. Okay, after that, here two horns of the cow will be drawn. Two horns like this. Two horns of the cow will be drawn. Do you know anything about the body of a cow? What does a cow have? A cow has two horns. Okay, and it has two ears. Ears. You will draw ear like leaf. Draw here this kind of line, and a cow's ear appears to be pink from inside. Half pink. Okay, now next is we have to make the face of the cow. So here we are going to draw a curve like this. Two holes for showing the nose and mouth. Okay, now two eyes. Cows have big eyes. Cows have big eyes. So here the face of the cow is ready. Okay. The face of the cow is ready. Next, we have to draw the body of the cow. So I am drawing it like this. Come down, come down, come down. Then take it and join it here. The body of the cow. Now the legs of the cow. I'm going to draw three standing lines for this. 1, 2, 3, and I'm putting an oval here. Okay, now three standing lines here. 1, 2, 3. I'm not drawing a real cow, but I'm drawing a cartoon cow. Okay, now what is missing? A cow is a general animal. It has two horns, two ears, two eyes, mouth, a body, four legs, and a long tail. It has a long tail. So I'm going to draw a long tail long tail. Okay, now I'm going to color it. So, and one more thing, a cow gives us milk also, isn't it? So we have to draw the part that provides milk. Okay, now I'm using color pink. I have for this part. I'm not using dark colors, I'm just using light colors. Okay, and what is the color of the cow? The cow can be black, the cow can be brown, the cow can be white, and it can be patchy too. What do you mean by patchy? You know what is patchy? Patchy means कुछ cows होते हैं ना जिनके बॉडी में पैचेस होते हैं like this. So this is called patchy. This is called patchy. So my cow is patchy. My cow is patchy and I want my cow to be a little brown. So I'm going to color it with brown. Cow. My cow. Gentle cow. Now I'm going to color it little brown because I have a brown cow. Somebody may have a black cow, somebody may have a white cow, but I have a brown cow. When my drawing will be over, I'm going to write few lines on the cow and that my students will learn and write. मेरे बच्चों को क्या करना है? पहले लर्न करेंगे, फिर लिखेंगे. या तो पहले लिख लो रीड करके, फिर उसके बाद मम्मा की हेल्प से उसे लर्न कर लो. So my cow is ready. Wow, my cow is looking very pretty. My cow is looking very pretty. Have you heard the song? Gaiya meri gaiya, gaiya meri gaiya, gaiya meri gaiya, gaiya meri gaiya. In the live class we will sing. Okay? Now next I'm going to write something on this cow. Okay, so my work is done. Now I'm going to write something on the cow. Oh, I have hold my pen. What is this? This is a cow. This is a cow. Next line. She has a long tail. I'm going to write after the full stop only, okay? She has a long tail. Full stop. She has two horns. She. In he and she में मैम ने पढ़ाया है ना कि that cow is a female, so we are using the word she for it. She has two horns. Has two horns. HORNS. S. These are horns. She has two horns. Again full stop. After this, she eats grass. Yeah, a cow eats grass. She eats grass. 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 She eats grass. She gives us milk. She gives us, us means होता है हमें, milk. एंड सबको पता है मिल्क से क्या क्या होता है. मिल्क इज अ वेरी गुड फूड फॉर अस एंड मिल्क इज यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग बटर, कर्ड, ghee, cheese and many sweets, isn't it? So that means a cow is a useful animal. So we can write we are going to write about milk. Milk is very useful. MILK, milk is very useful. मिल्क बहुत लाभकारी होता है और गुणकारी होता है, इसीलिए उसे यूज किया जाता है. So KG2, this is the work of the day that you have to draw a cow. Okay, and you have to write about the cow. This is a cow. She has a long tail. She has two horns. She eats grass. She gives us milk. Milk is very useful. So KG2, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.